Hello, and thanks for purchasing the HORI Z300 3D printer. This video will help you to properly set up and test the printer before printing any projects. The printer needs to have a roll of printing filament loaded before any model can be printed. Loading the printing filament involves sending the roll of filament through the loading motor into the printing head so that the nozzle can melt the filament and properly extrude it onto the glass plate. Let's look at the detailed steps of loading a new roll of filament. First, send the filament through the feeding tube into the loading motor port. Stop when you feel the filament is secured by the gears inside. Second, go to the filament settings menu, select the PLA materials, and press the one-click Load Filament button. At this point, you'll see the temperature of the printing head increase on the touchscreen. The touchscreen will be locked during this automatic loading process. After reaching the desired temperature, the nozzle will extrude a small amount of melted filament. The printer will beep to indicate that loading is complete and automatically unlock the touchscreen. Before printing a real model, let's first test the printer's calibrations. The SD card prepackaged with the printer contains 2 test files for exactly this purpose. Step 1. Load the SD card and go to the SD card contents menu. Select test1.gcode file and press the play button. As mentioned earlier, the printing head will heat up first before the actual printing begins. This test file contains the blueprint to print 3 concentric circles. After the printing operation is complete, check that the output is indeed perfect concentric circles. If the output is satisfactory, clean the printing platform. And proceed to print the test2.gcode file. The test2.gcode file contains the blueprint for a small vase. If the printed vase is structurally symmetric and has a smooth surface, then calibration is complete and the printer is ready to print other models. For instructions on how to use HORI's modeling software, please see the HORI software tutorials. On the other hand, if the output circles are not well formed, please watch the next video in the series to calibrate the printing platform and repeat this test process until perfect concentric circles can be printed.